students, how are you? Today we'll solve test of Unit 10, Unit 10 assessment. Question number 1, the triangle whose side lenses are spaced, we called it isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle, it's meaning we have two sides are equal lenses. You must choose what? We must choose 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Choose letter P. We called it isosceles triangle. Question number 2. The area of rectangle of length is 2 over 3 centimeter and the width 2 over 5 centimeter is. We can write the area equal length multiplication by width. The length here was 2 over 3 or 2 dimension 2 over 3 and 2 over 5. 2 times 2 equal 4 and 3 times 5 equal 15. 3 over 15 square centimeter. Question number 3. The x coordinate in the order pair 0 and 4. We know 3 here, we called it x coordinate, and y coordinate it will be 4. Question number 4. The value of the missing number in the table, we have 2 times what? We have x and y. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And y, 2, 4, 6. 2 times 2 equal 4. 2 times 4 equal 8 plus by 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then y increased by 2. 6 plus 2 it will be 8. 8 plus 2 equal 10. Then x here increased by 1 and y increased by 2. Then the result here will be missing 2 numbers. It will be 8 and 10. 8 and 10. Choose letter P. Question number 5. The polygon which has only pair parallel sides is called what? Only one pair parallel sides, we called it what? We have only pair parallel sides in the polygon. Who can tell me the result about question number 5? We can call it trapezium or trapezium because we have only one pair. Only one pair parallel sides is called trapezium. We called it trapezium or trapezium. Trapezium, okay? Trapezium or trapezium. We call the polygon which has only one pair of parallel sides. Question 6. The opposite triangle is what? We have all sides here not equal lengths. Acute or scalene or obtuse or right. The opposite triangle is what? Opposite triangle, we can call it acute triangle. Is acute. The opposite triangle is what? Acute triangle. Okay, it's acute. It's acute triangle. Okay, an acute triangle because the measure of each angle here less than 90 degrees. Then this triangle we can call it acute triangle. Choose letter B about question 6. Question 7. The measure of any angle of square equal 90 degrees. Any equal here in angles in square or equal lengths. No, we can write here, draw square with me and draw any sides are equal in length and any angles are equal in measure. Then the measure of each angle in any square equal 90 degrees. Question number 2 complete. Number 1. The 4 sides are equal in length in space and space. 4 sides are equal in lengths in square and rhombus. We can write square and rhombus. Okay, the 4 sides are equal in length in square and rhombus. Question number 2. The triangle XYZ is an equilateral triangle whose perimeter 18 centimeters in XY equal. We can find the length of one side here by divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 equals 6 centimeter because we have equilateral triangle. Question number 3. In the opposite number line, we can find the length of AB. The distance from E and B equal B subtract by A. B here was 5 units and A1. 5 minus 1 equal 4. Next question. Then we have 4 length unit. Next example, question number 4. In the opposite figure, the order pairs that represent point A. We can write the order of point A from x-axis and y-axis. Look at here with this me about x-axis. This point A, coordinate here 3 and 1. Okay, the order here 3 and 1. The order pair of point A. Question number 5. Each two opposite sides are parallel in rhombus and square. Okay, each two opposite sides are parallel in square and rhombus and rectangle and parallelogram. We can write parallelogram. Parallelogram and rectangle, rhombus, square. Parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square. Question number 6. The triangle opposite is space angle. This triangle right angle triangle. We can write here right. This word right. We called it right angle triangle because the measure of the vertex here equal 90 degree. Question 7. The triangle opposite. Okay, خلاص. Next question number 7. The point 0, 0 and 5 lies on space axis. We have 0 and 5. We know in order contains of x and y. X equals 0, its meaning lies in what? In y axis. Lies in y axis. Lie y. Write y in the space here. Write y here. Okay. This is the point 0 and 5 lies on y axis. Question number 8. In any triangle, there are two space aligned angles, at least two acute angles. At least in any triangle, there are two acute angles at least in any triangle. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Question number 3. Number 1. The area of rectangle is 2 square meters and one of its dimensions half meter. Then the other dimension, okay, he give us the area of rectangle. We know the area equal length times width. He give us area was 2 square units or square meters, and one dimensions it will be half, and second dimension it will be what? We can write second dimension by divided 2 by half. Second dimension it will be what? Length. Okay, the length will be what? Half product by 4 equal to, then L it will be 4 meter. Okay, we can divide it 2 by half, or ask yourself half times what equal to half product by 4, then L here reverse to the length will be 4. Okay, the second dimension will be 4. Or you can write 2 divided by half, write 2 multiplication, the inverse about half, it will be 2 over 1, 2 times 2 equal 4. Then the length will be length 4 length meter. Question number 2. ABC is a equilateral triangle with two side lengths of it are 6.5 and 6.5 centimeter. In the third it will be 6.5 because it was equilateral triangle. All sides are equal in lengths. 6.5, 6.5, 6.5, they are equal. Because we talk right about equilateral triangle. Question number 3. The hexagon has space side, has 6 sides. We called it hexagon. This figure we called it hexagon, 6 sides. Question number 4. The y coordinate in the order we have 5, and 3. We have x and y. The second projection here we called it y. Okay, then the y coordinate here, it will be what? It will be 3. You want to find y coordinate here equal 3, or we can call y here second projection. Okay, question number 5. The area of square of side length 2.5 centimeter equal. We count the area. 2.5 times 2.5 will be 625, and the point after two places will be 6 and 25/100th. Okay, you want to find the area. 6.25 square centimeter. Question number 6. The subcategories of square and rhombus. What is the similar between square and rhombus? Who can tell me? We know all sides are equal in length in square and rhombus. And we can write what you want to find subcategories of square and rhombus. We must choose what? Choose letter. He asked about square and rhombus. For equal sides here, letter B. We have square, all sides are equal in lengths, and rhombus, all sides are equal in lengths. It's similar between rhombus and square. So you must choose letter B about question number 6. Choose letter B, because he asked about the similar quality between them. What is the subcategories between square and rhombus? All sides are equal in length in each of them. Question 7. Which of the following points located in x-axis? If the point located in x-axis, it's meaning y equals 0. We have any point contains of x and y, then you must choose point which y equals 0 here. We must choose number and 0. Number and 0. Choose letter A. Letter A, we have 4 and 0. Okay. Question number 4. Number 1. Ahmed owns parking lot. Ahmed owns a parking lot. The lot is 4 kilograms long and 3.5 kilometers wide. What is the area of parking lot? Okay, we have the parking length and width. He gives us 2 dimensions. Lot was 4 kilometers and here 3.5 kilometers length and width. And he won't find the area. Equal length times width. We can write 4 times 3.5. 4 times, write 2 here. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. The result will be square kilometer. 14 square kilometer. Question number 2. Ahmed is making a design using a quadrilateral of 4 right angles. What is the name of it? We have 4 right angles. We can draw rectangle or square. 4 right angles in square or rectangle. We can write rectangle or square. Question number 3. Put the point in the coordinate. We have point E 3 and 4, and B was D and 6 and 4. You want to plot the point and draw. Okay. Look at with me. We have here graphical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. First point P was Okay, he give us A was 3 and 4, and the second point D 6 and 4, and we have 2 points here. He drawing point B and 6, B and C. He give us point B. The order of B, it was 3 and 2. Here 3 and 2. And point C, the order was 6 and 2. You can put point A here, 3 and 2, coming from 3, 2. And point, we have B, 3 and 2, okay. And second point A, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Again, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Here it was point A, 3 and 4, and 3 and 2. It was point B, point C, 6 and 2, 6, 2, and point D, 6 to 4. It will be a rectangle. This figure, it will be a rectangle. Next question, in the opposite coordinate plane, graph point A, B, C, D. What is the name of the figure? Okay, we have point A, 2 and 2, point B, 2 and 5, and point C, 6 and 5, point D, 6 and 2. We can draw the coordinate here by using ruler. You must write the distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First point here, A was 2 and 2, coming from 2, 2, 2 is 2, 2 is 5, C 6 to 5, 6 to 5, and D 6 2. We have here a rectangle. This figure, we called it rectangle.